Popular Mechanics, 1973. Let's check out what science, mechanics, and society was like in the 70s. Of course, you know, there's lots of cigarette ads, and no one's ever dirty in any of them. Lots of advertisements for totally mundane things like channel locks. Still awesome, useful things, though. I didn't know what Heth kits were until about now, and I feel really sad that I missed out on the time when you could legitimately build your own electronics and have, what is it, Platonian or Socrates in like true information and true knowledge about how your electronics work. That is lovely. Oh, I love that old van. Lovely. Now, this is remarkable. This is when Camel started posing out the question, can you spot the camel's smoker? And the camel smoker was always the guy that had the shirt over a jacket flung over his shoulder, and everyone else was standing out, and everyone else had their own thing to make them stand out. But the Camels guy is always like super cool. This must be around the start of that ad campaign. And you don't see a whole lot of interest from magazines for something cool like this, just setting up a really nice, a really practical workbench. Motors repair manual was always a really great way to figure out how to legitimately fix anything with wonderful hand-drawn pictures in them to show you what you need to do. It's almost like YouTube for the back in the day. Here's another advertisement for a Heth kit. And on the left, very futuristic looking BMW. I wonder if it's so futuristic it came with the turn signal. I really miss Radio Shack. I miss them quite a bit. Things are a bit expensive, but you could always run in and get things you needed for a project. These days there are no projects, though. We just throw things out and buy them new. Mini calculators make math. Nothing makes math fun. Ooh, less than a month after the BART system had gone into operation, a train hurtled past the station. Wow. I'm surprised it even has a nose on it. I guess it didn't have much to stop the front of it. We need more of this, but legit, we can't afford it. I really think we need more of this, but legit, we can't afford it. Check out these retro-futurist styles. Interesting big old dust bubble. That's a nice conversation piece. Oh my god, it has one of those flipping timers. The flipping timer is the best. I wonder if it comes with the whammons. My dad had one of these in the basements forever. These things are really fun. I used to be able to do up to 100 of them. 100 jumps. You gotta get used to it before you can, though. Oh, check this out. It's hard to rob a bank when you can't get in. The new ATM machine. Oh my goodness, could you imagine dealing with that kind of a screen? My goodness. Man, I'm not sure if I'd trust any car with a plow these days. Got so much aluminum on them. Keeps them light, but holy frick, buddy's got a wooden car. Wooden car is wooden. And battery operated. Electric wooden car. What the frick, buddy? Good job. He even shows his frickin' homework. Oh my god, this is lovely and beautiful and all of the good things all combined, all at once, all day long. Whoa. Oh, I love it. Going through these magazines, it really makes me think that men should fund a place that other men can go to that don't have the ability and to jump on an ATV and just rip around or try to build a wall with mortar and pestle. Like I would freaking love to do some of this stuff, but the women in town, oh my god, you just can't do anything fun with the women in town. Man, I even tried to hunt a deer with a Nerf gun, and the women in town, come on, it's on my lawn. Oh my god, I love it and I want one. Old American trucks are the sexiest thing to a utilitarian individual. There's no computer on here. There's no GPS. It's just looked and frickin' built. And I'm pretty sure these ones were built right. What we got in the back? Oh yeah, real man. Shaven. with a cigarette. That's how good it is. Winston's. Guys, do they still make Winston's? Anyways, that's it for me, folks. Popular Mechanics, January 1973. Have a good one, folks, and take care of each other, will you?